just about to get on with the raptoring, so I'll just give you a quick rundown of what's going on in here. There we go. All masked up, ready. Going to spray the Raptor, tintable Raptor, all across the front bulkhead, the bottom heel board, right across the floor, up the seat pan. Going to go in the companion bins, just fill it full of it, all over the quarter panels, everywhere. Maximum protection. Should do a good job. Right, on the bench at the back, I've got the Raptor kit. Right, inside the Raptor kit, I'll show you what you get. It's quite a comprehensive kit. So you get your measuring cup, which you've used for your hardener, which is this stuff. So that's the Raptor hardener. And each one of these bottles has got your tintable Raptor in it. So in the measuring cup, you've got 237ml worth of hardener goes into there, then that goes into the bottle, and then across here we have got from MAJ Paints, we've got the Rover Group Flame Red Raptor tint. So around about 70ml of that also goes into the bottle. Then you give it a good shake and then apply it with the Schultz gun. It's decent stuff, but I found the last time I ran out of hardener. So on the fourth bottle, so there's like 4 bottles in here, 3 there, 1 there. On the 4th bottle, we just ran out of hardener, and I think I might have been putting too much tint in, so we just ran out of tint as well. We made it just, but barely. So let's get it done. There's the tint all measured out, and that's the amount of hardener measured out. And from using it last time, when I was finished, when the Raptor bottle was empty, it still felt quite heavy. So the bottom bit of the bottle still had a load of the Raptor in, but it wasn't coloured. It was, when I'd shook it, it obviously hadn't shook enough. So what I've decided to do now is turn the bottles actually upside down to get all that sediment out and down while I'm pouring these 2 items out. So now I shouldn't have an inch of wastage at the bottom, because I cut one of these open. So the last time I cut it open and there was untinted Raptor from about that line down overs just wasted. So my idea is, if I can turn them on the head for a little while I'm mixing up, I should get to use all of it. So now what we do is get that sorted there. See the Raptor, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? It's like a beigey colour. There, just. So you pour the hardener in. And then this is the Flame Red. You pour that in. Get me measuring stick. Get it all out. Right. Make a mess of it. Oh. And then you put the lid back on, and then you've got to shake this for 2 minutes. So might as well be precise. Put the stopwatch on and give it a shake for 2 minutes. This is what I was telling them at MAJ Paints. You're supposed to get 4 bottles of tintable Raptor out of that hardener. That's all that's left. So you can see the fill line, it doesn't make it. I'm getting as much out as I can. So, getting duped. Getting short-changed. How are you, Paul? Do something about it. Right. I also said to MAJ Paints there might not have been enough tint last time, but I might have been putting too much in as well, so let's have a look. Ah, no, we're going to make it this time. Slowly getting to the mark, so yeah, I was putting too much in last time.